Hello student, in this class we learn how to use pen tool. Pen tool is available here on the toolbar. I right click on this to expand other tool in this group. Other tool name is add anchor point, delete anchor point and anchor point tool. I click on this small arrow to pull out this tool from the group and place here. By using pen tool you can create a path. So first I click on this tool to active this and then click on the artboard. A point is created with the pen tool. When I move this mouse, tool is still connected with the point. When I click on the next time, a point is created with the line. When I click again, line is extend. If you want to create a smooth line, click and hold your mouse and then drag. A smooth line is created. I click again and drag. So a smooth line is created. If you want to create a sharp point here, click on the last point when anchor point tool icon will display in the bottom of pen tool. So a sharp point is created. When you click again, so a linear line is created. But if you want to create a curvature, click and drag. If you want to exit from the pen tool, press escape key. Tool is still active but the connection line is break. So I click on the selection tool. If you want to modify this path, you can modify by two methods. In the first method, you can use anchor point tool. When I click on this to activate and then click on this point and drag in the bottom direction. So a curvature smoothness is created by using anchor point tool. Same as I click here and then drag. And if you want to modify only one direction, press Alt key, then click on this point and then drag. So only one direction is active. And if you want to convert this point as a sharp turn, so click on this point, a sharp turn is created here. And if you click on the point and then drag, so a smooth turn will create it. And in the second method, you can use direct selection tool. So first I click on this to activate and then select this point and then click on these icon to apply smoothness or sharpness. If you click on this, a sharp turn is created. And if you click on this second point, a smooth curve is created. By using direct selection tool, you can select these points and move like this. And you can also modify these tangent and change curvature. So direct selection tool is very helpful. Now I switch to selection tool and then delete this path. Now I draw a cartoon shape by using pen tool. I already placed a reference image in the artboard, but it's currently hide. If you want to place a reference image in the artboard, you can use file, place option. By using this option, you can place any reference image in the artboard, but I go to layer menu and then show this layer. Make sure this layer is locked. By clicking on this area, you can lock a image. I click again on the property. First I zoom this image by using zoom tool. So create a window selection and then zoom. Now I switch to selection tool. First I draw here and then face. So I click on the pen tool to activate. By pressing Alt and scroll wheel, you can zoom or zoom out. And by using spacebar, you can pan this image according to your requirement where you want to place this image. First I click on this point and then click on the next point and then drag. A curvature is created and white color is filled here because the foreground color is white. I click on the none button, so there is no color, and then click on the second point. If you want to fix this curvature, press Alt key and then click and drag. By using Alt key, pen tool convert into anchor point tool. Then click on the second point and then click and drag. Then press spacebar and pan your image. Then click and drag. Now we create this path in this way. So I click on this point and then drag upside. By pressing Alt key, I can modify this curvature. Click and drag. Curvature is modified now. Now I click on the last point to continue. When you reach on the start point, a circle show with the pen tool. It's mean the shape is closed. And if you want to modify this shape, I zoom little bit. If you want to create a point here, just click on this line. A point is add, and by using direct selection tool, you can change the position of this point like this. Now I draw this line, so I click here and then click and drag. Now press escape key and then choose direct selection tool and then place this point on this line. Now I fill color in this shape, so I choose selection tool and then select this shape and then click on the fill and choose black color here. Now I select this line and fill a gray color in stroke. Now I draw face, so I click again on the pen tool and start from here, then click and drag. Now I need a sharp point, so I click on the last point. A sharp turn is created here. Now I create a rough shape because here hide the face. And when you reach on the start point, a circle show on the point. By pressing Alt key, you can modify this curve. Now I click on the fill color swatch and choose a skin color here. This layer on the top in the order I show you in layer panel. This layer is on the top and it's a hair layer. So you have to select this layer and place in the bottom of this hair layer. So click and hold and then drag. So order is changed. By pressing Ctrl open bracket and close bracket, you can change the layer order. Now I select both shape and then move in the right side. Now I draw eyes, nose and lips. By using ellipse tool, I can draw eyes, fill with black color. And now pressing Alt and drag, create a duplicate copy of this eye. By using pen tool, draw a basic nose. Click on the no color. Escape key to exit from the tool. Now by using direct selection tool, position these shape. I think color is gray, so I select all the shapes and then click on the black color. Now I draw these circles. By pressing Shift and Alt key, you can create these circles from the center. Now I select these circles and fill with white color or skin color. Now I select again and create a duplicate copy. Now I create these line for ear shape by using pen tool. And fill with no color. Press escape key to exit from the pen tool. Now I select these shapes again and then place. Now face drawing is complete. Now I draw other area and then show you. Now I create a duplicate copy in the right side by using reflect tool. I click on this by pressing Alt key, click in the center. Reflect tool will display and choose vertical radio button and then click on the copy button. A copy is created in the right side. Now I place in the perfect position. Now I change layer order by pressing Ctrl square bracket. Same as I draw t-shirt. Now drawing is complete. I move in the right side and show you. So by using pen tool you can draw cartoon character and any other shape also. So I hope you like this class. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and like this video.